So what's going on, everybody? So we're out here at the job site and we've got a lot going on, but I wanted to show a quick tip because I see this a lot when guys are attaching lathe strips to masonry, to cinder block, and using these massive nails to affix the wood to the block. This is a 10D 3-inch. And guys are always complaining about, why are my lathe strips splitting? Why am I splitting my wood every time? Well, there's two reasons. First off, you're using too large of a nail. And then second, you're going in horizontally. I see people put them in horizontally or cockeyed all the time. You put your nail in vertically, this way, into the masonry. And you have to put it in straight. Hold on. But sometimes too big is overkill. This is overkill. This is a 10D 3-inch nail compared to a 6D 2-inch nail, which is still too big, so sometimes smaller is better. This is a 4D 1.5-inch nail. That's what you want to use to be putting 1x lathe strips into masonry because it makes a huge difference. And you're not going to split your wood. So safety first, kids, right? Now I've already put a few nails into this board here, and that's not going anywhere. That board is not going anywhere as long as you put them in properly. So let's get one more in here. That's in there. Again, not going anywhere. So sometimes you need to let go of the ego and use the smaller nail because it works better. All right, there's your tip of the day.